Hey guys, it's Cody with Homestead, and today I have the beautiful Miss Angie, and we are going to be doing some homemade apple pies. So recently, me and my lovely fiance went to the Appalachian Mountains, and we got us some apples. So we are going to turn these bad boys, look at this guy, this guy's huge, like the size of my head, into some lovely apple pies. And we're going to have our next episode with cooking with Angie. But all right guys, let's get started. All right, Miss Angie, what are you doing?
I'm just putting the bottom crust on all the trays. We don't have matching ones, so I just got what we had.
Cool. And how many pies are we probably making today?
3.
3? So 2 for us and 1 for the neighbor?
Yes.
All right, babe, what are we doing?
Now we're gonna put the sugar, spices, and stuff on the apples, and then it's ready to bake.
So the recipe that we're using, I'm gonna get from the lovely Miss Angie, and I will have it posted down in the description below. So if you see these pies and you're like, man, those look delicious, you can follow along with us.
1/2 cup of sugar.
So if you're using like pure cane sugar, and you said 1/2 cup?
And then 1/2 cup of brown sugar.
Brown sugar, it tastes so good. I should have been a singer, right?
You should have.
You tell me that all the time. You're like, Cody, why are you in the military? You should have been a singer.
It was a mistake.
I will never live up to my true potential. Sad.
2 tablespoons of flour.
Babe, you look so serious when you're doing pie work. You got like this killer look on your face. It's like these pies are your enemy, not a tasty treat.
Is that so?
That's what it looks like. It's game time.
A teaspoon of cinnamon.
You said just a teaspoon?
Yes.
Gotta make sure it's level, right?
Yes.
It's gotta be level. No bumps or humps or...
1/8 of nutmeg. We don't have 1/8, so
You said 1/8?
yes. So I'll do 1/2 of a 4th.
It's not a lot of nutmeg for a whole pie.
Nutmeg tastes really strong. Tablespoon of lemon juice plus the zest.
So Angie put a bow tie on Mr. Actually, no, he's no longer Mr. He is Sir Fluffy Bottom. And you can see that right here for the spirit of Halloween. And I must say, he looks quite dapper. All right, babe, so what are you doing right now? You're zesting the lemon?
Yes.
And how much lemon zest do you need?
1/2 a lemon.
Was that ding the preheated oven? And let's see, what do we have it preheated to? We have the oven preheated to 400 degrees.
I'm just gonna do 1/2 a lemon.
All right, so 1/2 lemon with the juice. Are you cupping your hand so the seeds come in your hand?
Yeah.
That is professional technique right there. Cupping the hand so the seeds come out. Psh, she's a pro.
Yeah.
I love you.
Love you too.
How much do I gotta pay you to say that?
A lot.
A lot. So because these apples are so big, let me just show you how large these guys are. Boom. The recipe says that they need to be into 1/2 inch thick slices, but because our apples are so huge, I think when we cut them, we dice them, we actually need to split them again because of how big the apples are.
Alright, which pie are we doing?
All right, so now we're going into the bowl.
Our apples might have been a little bit bigger than the ones they recommended.
All right, babe, so what we got now? You got the top. So what you're doing now, you're just kind of connecting the 2 pieces, like the 2 crusts together, but kind of meshing them together. Little hole there, no big deal. MBD. So you're just putting some breathing holes in there. Look at that, look like a little home and garden magazine.
I don't know what to do about this thing here. It's like an apple chunk that...
It is what it is, babe.
It'll be all right.
All right, so we got our first pie done. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna get all 3 of our pies done, and then we're gonna do the egg wash at the end. All right, babe, so why don't you tell us a little story about what happened to your basting brush?
It melted.
And how did that happen?
Well, I was making naan bread and I used the brush to melt the pan and it just melted. So.
Just no big deal. So what's our alternative method?
I don't know. I'm gonna figure that out, but we're gonna brush these with the egg wash and put them in the oven.
Alrighty. Is that a paintbrush you're using?
Possibly. That's
Look at this brush.
last resort.
You're using a paintbrush.
This thing is huge. Look at
It
this.
hasn't been used yet.
Look at it.
Mom,
You're gonna baste the hell out of the thing.
Why aren't you using?
Do you have a
pastry?
better idea?
No, sweetie, I don't. All right, so just a small update. We have actually gone with the paintbrush.
There was nothing else, and I'm not driving to go buy another brush.
Hey, Mama didn't raise a quitter, did she?
Nope, this is
So,
how it's gonna work.
this is happening.
Yes.
It seems to be working. It's a new paintbrush, so it's not like it's dirty or anything. Now, what does this do for the pie itself? Like, does this brown the crust, or like, what does the egg wash
Yeah,
do?
browns the crust.
Ooh.
Make it nice and golden brown.
Golden, like K-pop Demon Hunters.
Yes.
I'm going up. Once again, should have been a singer, dude. And how many eggs did you use to make the wash?
I used 2.
All right, so one step that we forgot is we didn't put the pie shield on. I didn't even know the thing. So Miss Angie is just using aluminum foil and putting it around the edges. And it's supposed to do what, sweetie? Protect the edges of the pie?
From browning? I mean, we're gonna remove it after 25 minutes, but
Yeah, so it's only on there for 25 minutes of the total cook time. Round 2.
400 degrees for 25 minutes to start with.
So the first iteration of the pie cooking is to be 25 minutes, and that's where we with the pie shield. At that 25 minutes, we'll take the pie shield off and keep
Lower
cooking.
the temperature, 375.
Alrighty, we are back, and the pies, man, they look delicious. They are still, you can see right here, they're bubbling from their being hot. We just got them out. But yeah, that's all there is to it. Angie had to go back to work. She's really busy, so she's working, so you just got me to finish up. But look, like I said, I'm gonna put the link with the recipe we use down below. And if you've learned something or you just enjoyed the video, be sure you like, share, and subscribe. We'd love to have you follow us along and just enjoy all the things we do on our homestead. But anyways, guys, this has been Cody with Home to Homestead. Out here.